On any given day, this is my posse. Watch this. Watch as we go here. In a second here, we'll have a whole bunch of them. Here come the rest of them. I don't know what it is, but apparently, wherever I go, if the chickens are out, and here come the others. Okay, let's see what we're doing here. Not what we're doing. It's the chicken posse! And it's not even dinner time. You girls are so funny. You girls are so funny. Kind of a long shadow of the afternoon. It's only like 2:30. Not even dinner time. I'll walk over here, see what they do. Here's my duckies in their pond. Okay, here we go. Some of the chickens have names. Ember, because she's kind of a pink chicken. Let's see. Doopy 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 doo. Oh, there's Jackie. She's my little gray Polish. That's her daughter. There's Glitterbug, world's little rooster. Okay, this is the red chicken. Nope, that's not the red one. She's over there. She's mean. The solid white one, right there. That's Snowy. Let's see. There's a black one with a white frosting around her neck. If I can find her. Oh, there we go. That's Dawn. I'll zoom in a little bit. There's Dawn. Right there. She's got white neck and head. And black chicken. There, see, that's Dawn. Okay. That's either Yoshi or Toshi. And there's, oh, let me see, where is she? There's Yoshi. They're my two Asian chickens. And they are funny. Yeah, let's see. That's it for the naming of chickens. I have my Jersey girls. They don't have names. All my ducks have names, not all my chickens. Weird. Hi, Glitterbug. He's a cute little guy. He's a cute little guy. Anyways, let's walk this way again. See if we can get him to follow me. What's this? If I go in the chicken house, are you guys ready to eat? Let's throw a little bit of food in there and see if you go in for the night. Then I don't have to put you away in a little while. Hi, Snowy. Come on, get off there. Pause for a second.